Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Shoot Mehendi. So let's start with today's topic. We are going to make 4 brides. We have to start with basic lines and then we will give head portion. Now after that we will give dark filling to the whole design. We have to give bit dark light effect. Now we will make the face portion and we will give ears on both the sides. We will make small earrings. We will give bit shading and then we will make one jhumka shape. Now we will start with the eyebrow design and then we will make eyes. For the eyeballs we will first make round and then fill. We will make nose portion and then give leaf. Now after the face portion is done, we will give shading to the eyeball portion and we will give nose pin. Now we will start with the neck portion. First we will start by making neck and then we will give body structure. We have to make dupatta. We will first make the posture and then start with the inner filling. Now we will make leaf shapes and then we will give dark border. After that we will give shading in the leaf shape and then we will draw one drop shape. Now again after that we will draw dupatta portion from the head. We will draw it on both the sides. We have to make proper outline of the design. Now after that we will start by making the filling portion. We will give leaves cut work to the whole inner part. Make sure there is no empty space left. Now we will start with the filling. We have to first make border to the whole design and then we have to fill it. Make sure there is no empty space left. Now after that we will start with the dupatta filling portion. For that we will give thick filling. After that we will take one thin line and draw humps. We will draw small swirls. And besides that we will again draw one thick line, one thin line, and then we will give shading in the inner portion of the dupatta. We always have to give shading in inner portion of the dupatta. Now we will give humps. After that we will give shading in the outer portion as well. But here we have to give small strokes. After that we will start by making 3 to 4 alternate dots, one below each other. Make sure there is no empty space left in between. We will give dark border to the whole design. Now after that we will give dark border to the face design as well. Now we will start with the next bride. For that we will first make the head portion. We have to give as if we are doing the shading. We will make small tika and give scallop portion. Now after that we will make small circles. We will fill the remaining portion. Now we will start with the face structure. After the face is done we will start with the earring portion. We have to give eyebrows and then we have to give eyes portion. We have to make eyes in the same way as we did in the first video. Now we will make lips portion. We will connect. Again we will give nose pin. After that we will start by making the filling portion. We have to give set portion. Now in this figure we have to make sure the earring portion matches the set portion. After that we have to make designs. We will make dupatta portion. Now we will connect the whole dupatta portion from the outer portion. We will give dark borders and then we will give shading to the set portion. After the whole figure is done, we will start by giving small fillings. We will give small circles inside and then we will fill it with the dark portion. After that we will make hand portion. We have to make hand as if the lady is holding the dupatta. Now after that we will start by making the second hand and done. Now we will start with the filling portion. We have to make small triangles and then we will shade the inner portion of the triangle. After the shading is done, we will fill the remaining portion. Now we will give one dark line and we will give one scallop line. Again we will draw one line and we will give small swirls. There should be no empty space left in between. Now we will give dark borders. Again in the hand portion we will give small swirls. After this we will start by filling the dupatta portion. We will give shading in the whole portion. After the shading is done, we will start with the carry shapes. We have to make alternate small carry shapes. Here also we have to do the same thing. We have to fill half of the carry shape and the remaining carry shape we have to leave as it is. We will give dark border to the whole design. After that we will start by making the filling portion. We have to give 4 alternate dots. We will give outer portion to the whole design. Make sure you give outer portion or outer thick line to the design. Now we will give base line. Now for the third bride, we will start by making the head portion. We will make straight face. We will give earrings. Here I am giving straight earrings. We will make Maantika and we will start. After that we have to fill the remaining portion. Now we will start with the neck portion and then we will give eyes portion. For the nose portion we will again do the same thing. We will draw lips portion and then we will start with the filling portion of the eyeballs and nose pins. After that we will give design in the earrings and then we will fill the remaining portion. Now for the set portion we will start by making small circles. We will fill it. First we will make body outline and then we will give small humps to that outline. Now we will make blouse portion. After that we will give small scallops and give alternate dots. For every bride we have to make dupatta portion. We will give shading in the inner portion as we did in the first figure. After the whole shading portion is done, we will start with the hand portion. We have to make hand as if the bride is holding the dupatta. Now after that we will start by making body postures, and we will give inner filling to the dupatta portion. For the blouse filling, we will start by drawing horizontal and vertical lines. Now we will give small checks at the center, and we have to fill it. Make sure there is no empty space left. We have to fill all the boxes. After that we will start with the dupatta filling. We will give small strokes or lines on both the sides, and in the center we will give alternate dots. After that we will give one thick line, one thin line, and again on the second hand side we will draw dupatta shape. We will draw scallop lines on both the sides. We will give shading. After the shading is done, we will give small dots. Here also we have to do the same thing. Make sure there is no empty space left. We have to give outer border to the whole design. After this we will start with the fourth figure. This we are going to make 3/4 face. For that we will start with the head portion. We have to make only half portion, and then we will start with the face cut. Here we will make half eyes, and then again we will draw nose portion. Here also we will start with full eye, and then we have to give earring portion. After that we will start with the jhumka portion, and then we will connect it. After the whole portion is complete, we will give small dots, and then we will fill the design. We have to give dark border to the whole design. Now after that we will start with the lips portion of the bride. Once the lips portion is made, we will give dark filling, and then we will start with the remaining portion of the face. This is known as 3/4 face, where only one eye is full and one eye is in the opposite direction, only half seen. Now we will make body posture of the bride. We have to connect body posture and dupatta portion of the bride. First we will give set design. For that we will make alternate dots and fill the design. After that we will give 3 dots, and we will connect the whole portion with the dupatta portion. Now we will give small lines and humps, and we will fill the whole design. This is also called as cut work. You can also take small flowers or checks if you want to. Now after this design is done, we have to fill it. We will give small lines or humps, and we will draw line in between. We will draw small circles. After that we will connect the whole portion and give shading in the inner portion of the dupatta. Now we will give small circles and give 2 lines below that. At the outer portion of the dupatta we have to give shading. Now after that we will start by giving shading, and then we will fill the whole design. We will give alternate dots at the centers of the dupattas, and we will give shading. Now for the whole bride we have to give dark border to the whole design. We have to give dark border throughout. After that our whole bride is complete. We have done 4 brides. Bye guys, thank you for watching.